Hello viewers, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to install Google Analytics for your WordPress site. I will show you all the different ways that you can apply. I hope you will enjoy this video. Let's get started. Viewers, we are talking about how we can install Google Analytics for our WordPress site. Most of you know Google Analytics, one of the most popular web tracking tool in the world. So if you have a Google Analytics account, that's great job. But if you are completely new and you have no Google Analytics account, then let's get start to create a Google Analytics account. The first thing is you can type Google Analytics in Google search, or you can type google.com/analytics in your search bar. I included this link in the video description. So once you visit Google Analytics site, then the first thing you will see the big sign up button. Hit over the sign up button and then put your information. The first thing is your account name. So your account name should be your name or your company name, what you love most. Then put your account name. Second thing is your website name. Type your website name. And the third thing that really important is your website name. So if your website is HTTPS, then select HTTPS, or your website is HTTP, then select HTTP and make sure you just type your website without HTTP in the box. Then select your industry, that means select your category. If you find your website in this category, then select one category, or you can select other. The next thing is selecting your time zone. So you can select your time zone or you can keep it same, then hit over get tracking ID. So once you have done, then it will come up with a new pop-up, and once you have done, then click over I accept. So here is your universal analytics tracking ID and the script or JavaScript code. Now we need to import this code in our website backend. There are many different ways you can apply or you can use to install this code in your website backend. You can use plugin, Google Analytics plugin to install, or you can edit raw code in your header PHP file, or you can apply Google Tag Manager. So I will show you all these three different way. I hope I'm not sure that what you love most. So I will show you three different way that you can apply. Let's get started. The first thing is you have to log in your website backend. Once you have logged in your website backend, then you will see, in the WordPress, you will see an interface like this. Now we are going to edit our raw code, like our header PHP file, and we will just import this code in our header file in the header section and the between opening and closing header section. The thing is, once you hover over your mouse on appearance, then click over editor, then scroll down, or you can use Ctrl F to find out header PHP file and type header and hit enter. So here you see the header.php, and hit over header.php, and before editing any code on your site or on your header.php file, make sure you keep your site backup. You can put your code in here. So visit Google Analytics and copy this code and paste this code here, script and script. If now you update this file and visit the site, if everything is okay and Google Analytics installed correctly, then in your Google Analytics inside, you will see in the real-time section, you will see someone visiting your site. If everything is okay and you install Google Analytics correctly, and you will see that this is work correctly, that someone visiting my site, that's mean Google Analytics is installed correctly. If you like this process, you can install Google Analytics using this process, but if you don't like this process, then the next process can help you. Now I'm going to apply the next process. In this process, we will use a plugin. Remove this code from WordPress header file, then update the file. right? So make sure that Google Analytics is not working. So nothing happened, nothing is here. That's mean Google Analytics is code is removed from my site. If you install, if you want to use the next process, so you have to install Google Analytics plugin for your site. So head over plugins and then click over add new and type Google Analytics. And you will see here's a lot of plugin, but just install Google Analytics for WordPress by monoester inside. That will be okay. I just installed this plugin, so install and active this plugin. So now I'm going to settings this plugin. So once you have done, then hit over installed plugin. Now you can click over here or you can click over here. It will come up with the same result or same things. Then now click over authenticate with Google account. Get code. You have to click over get code here. Just select your right account and allow. Here your code is. Copy this code and paste your code here. Then hit over next. Profile, you have to select your Google Analytics profile. So I selected my Google Analytics profile, the new accounts. Then click over close. So we have selected or we have completed our installation process in using plugin monoester inside. Now if we visit our website and just hit over or refresh the site, maybe. So we have installed Google Analytics using monoester inside Google Analytics plugin. If you find that your site or your analytics code is not correctly or you don't get any data in your Google Analytics, make sure you have log out to your admin panel, because sometimes it's happened and sometimes it doesn't work when you log in your site in the first time when you log in your site. So make sure you log out your site and then refresh the main site and see is everything is okay or you get your data. Where's the last step is installing Google Analytics through Google Tag Manager. If you want to install Google Analytics through Google Tag Manager, you have to do some extra work. You need to install Google Tag Manager code inside your website. In Google Tag Manager inside, you have to create new tag for Google Analytics. It's very simple and easy process. I included this video in the description and also in the cards section. You can watch this video if you want to install Google Analytics through Google Tag Manager. Viewers, hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed my video, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.